They're Faduma and Kinsi, two sisters bright and whimsy. Together they're the perfect team. Without any worries, they share heartfelt stories from the Somali Museum. Traditions of their culture, a heritage to nurture, the bond of sisterhood in air. With every passing hour, there's something to discover, and fill your hearts with love and care.
Live with Faduma and Kinsi. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Faduma.
And I'm Kinsi.
And this is Live with Faduma and Kinsi.
Coming to you live from our Awawas Museum. Every Sunday, my twin sister and I go live and share cool stories about our community.
Kinsi, we're not twins. I'm 8 and you're 6.
6.5. Thank you very much.
لا في Somali ko hadla awowe.
Okay, awowe. Manta waxaan joognaa museum awowe.
Yeah, badana. Then just speaking English awowe.
Let's reach into our topics box and reveal today's topic. Drumroll, please. Looks like our topic of today is tradition, and it seems like we have a caller on the line who wants to share their tradition with us.
In my culture at Somali wedding, we have traditional dance that is called Buraanbur. It's always so much fun to watch. So, Faduma and Kinsi, what do you guys know about Buraanbur?
Absolutely. In fact, we participated in a Buraanbur dance at my cousin's wedding just last week. But it wasn't always a joyful experience for me.
Astaghfirullah.
Faduma, this is harder than it looks. You're going too fast. You're not taking this seriously, Kinsi. You're the one who sucks the fun out of everything.
Honey, I'm going to let you handle this one.
Hey, what's so funny, Hoya?
Oh, honey, I'm not laughing at you. I'm laughing because you and your sister remind me of me and my sister. Faduma, honey, your little sister is trying her best. Do you think you can try and be more patient with her? Imagine how she's feeling right now.
I'm sorry, Kinsi. I didn't realize how mean and bossy I was. I promise I'll listen to you. I'm sorry I yelled at you too. Are we cool?
How about you show these young girls how it's done, Hoyo?
In the end, Kinsi and I learned that having fun with the loved one is the most important thing.
Yeah, we also learned the importance of respecting each other even if we do not agree.
Well, that's all the time that we have today. Join us in the next episode of
Live with Faduma and Kinsi.
Thanks for watching, and remember to keep the traditions alive.
Assalamu alaikum, friends. Bye bye.